Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best flooring companies. What are the best companies for flooring installation in your local area? That's what we're going to be breaking down here in today's video. And I can understand that looking at floors for your home can be an important real estate and financial decision when it comes to deciding what company to go with. That's why we're breaking down and ranking a list of the best flooring companies and for flooring installation. And if you want to check out those companies, anytime you can check out those links down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into, again, the best flooring installation companies and what are the best companies for getting those dream floors that you've been looking for. Now, of course, the actual installation process is also another important aspect of the floors, besides just picking the kind of dream floors that you have. Maybe as you can see here, like, oh wow, I really like those floors. You gotta still do the installation process. So again, these are the companies that can help you with both and that whole process of from picking the actual floor that you want to installing it and then getting it inside your home, your real estate, and your financial investment at the end of the day. Now, taking a look and kicking off this list, we're taking a look here at this page done in partnership with Money.com, and we rank and put together the list of the best flooring installation companies, so you don't have to wait another second for your dream floors. You can click below to get a free quote, again, from any of the companies mentioned here in today's video. If you want to get access to this page here, which will also be up to date, so no matter when you're watching this video, you can see the up-to-date list. It'll be that first link down below in the video description. And kicking things off again, our number one choice is Lowe's. Now, Lowe's as a partner does allow you to schedule an in-home measurement to get a personalized quote. Now, Lowe's is available across the US and really pretty much almost in every market does have a local Lowe's. That's why they are a top choice here, because they are a good option that is available pretty much in most zip codes, most areas. You can utilize Lowe's, and you can get a home flooring installed by the holidays, or no matter what time you're watching this video, you get that home flooring installed. They do also offer financing is available, and they have top brands and styles at their best prices, and they offer, again, like I mentioned, local independent installers from Lowe's. So they have their Lowe's independent installer companies that are through their network. So it's a good way to go ahead and get your flooring done. And if we take a look here at the Get Started link, again, if you want to get access to this page here, it's done at that first link down below in the video description, where you fill out your measure request. So in the way that it works for Lowe's, you schedule your measurement, you just have to complete the form, and then the installer will contact you to confirm your in-home appointment. Then you just have to review the quote. So once you've selected your product, they'll follow up with a quote, which includes the product, labor, and the actual financing options, as well as scheduling the installation once you've purchased the quote, and then the contractor will be ready to go to schedule your installation. All you have to do is enter in your property address. It's going to be the primary contact, right? That would be you, maybe watching this video, and then selecting the flooring or wall type, or what type of flooring that you're interested in, whether it be like a backsplash as well. Again, that kind of counts as technically flooring, but you also have carpet, tile, stone, laminate, vinyl sheet, vinyl plank, or wood, the number of rooms and areas, and you can go through and actually select the specific products, but you don't even have to do that. You go through and then you can complete the process here by selecting and what you would like to use for your, again, for getting your floors through Lowe's independent service providers. So again, that's Lowe's at that first link down below in the video description. Again, they are our number one choice. Moving in at number two, we have is Floor Coverings International. And you can currently get, again, depending on when you watch this video, this offer may or may no longer be available, but you can get 0% financing for 12 months. They also offer a wide variety of flooring materials and more than 450 different styles. And they offer financing options, again, of course, and they have a mobile showroom that lets you see samples in your home, and they offer free in-home consultation with same-day proposal. If you take a look here at the link, it gets started. You can see you can get a free online quote for new flooring today. You just enter in your zip code and you select the flooring project type, whether it be hardwood, laminate, subfloors, tile, vinyl, carpet, or something else if you're not sure. And you can see through the different types of products that they do offer. You can transform your space. You can see like what hardwood, laminate, vinyl, carpet, all that would look like. And you can see and request a free quote today. Again, available at the link in the video description, so you don't have to wait and you can plan your home flooring project. As you can see, they also have positive customer reviews as far as the overall experience, and what you can expect in terms of their process is you can request an in-home consultation on the website, and then they'll schedule an appointment that works for you, and then their design associates will look at the options in your home and help guide you to the best solutions. Again, that'll be things like maybe the current furniture that you already have, maybe wall color. A lot of those kind of things do to take into consideration when you're considering the type of floor that you may want. And then after you accept the proposal, again, they'll set up and complete the installation and follow up to ensure overall satisfaction. Moving along at number 3 in this list here today is Thumbtack, and Thumbtack allows you to connect customers with nearby floor installation experts. So you can connect with floor installation experts in your local area. They are also BBB accredited with a rating of A+, and they are also allow you to have, customers have access to listed contractors using their zip codes, and contractors have profiles that feature Thumbtack ratings, certifications, customer reviews, and more, and you can directly contact the contractor of your choice or schedule a service call directly through Thumbtack. If we take a look here at their platform, again, you type in your local zip code to confirm your location to see the highly rated pros near you. And then you can scroll through and see who you like, again, depending on your zip code and who's local to you as to who you would want for your project. Again, some of them do charge for on-site estimates. Some of them have free on-site estimates. So it just depends on what you're looking for, and maybe you can call them and see like, hey, maybe you see their profile, you see the workmanship, maybe some of their top reviews and what they specialize in, right? Some maybe are better at carpets, whereas others are better at hardwood floors or tile. Like everybody kind of has their own little specialty, maybe taking out old floors or old carpet and then putting in new. So it just depends on what kind of situation that you're in and what your home is looking like as to, the type of expert and specialist that you may need for your home. Moving along, next and last but not least in this list here today is Cali Vinyl. Now, they offer Cali Vinyl collections are 100% waterproof, and they are an eco-friendly option which includes bamboo, cork, and sustainably sourced hardwood. And they have a wide range of styles in vinyl, engineered hardwood, and laminate, and they ship nationwide with fast delivery times. If you take a look at Cali Floors, getting started here, you can get your free quote today, and you can select it whether you're a homeowner, contractor, builder, and then you can enter in your information as well as your zip code. And then as you can see here, Cali Floors are designed to bring natural beauty to your space, be easy to install and clean, and provide a durable space for kids and pets to keep your home safe and healthy. And they do offer a good value per square foot, as you can see here with the overall installation process. As far as how to get started, you can get in touch today at the link in the video description. And you can find your style, visualize it, order the free samples, explore the different financing options, and place your order. So you can see a floor visualizer. They also have that available here, as well as a footage calculator as far as how much square footage you have, and you can shop around with the free samples. They do also offer buy now, pay later with Synchrony Bank. You can see what the customers say again, and they have different floors from vinyl, as well as hardwood, laminate, and bamboo. So if you're looking for other options, maybe some of the other options in this list are a better option for you. But again, most people looking at new floors, it's probably going to be, one of these options are pretty popular. It just depends on the kind of style that you're going for and what you're looking for. Again, I do want to also remind you of our number one choice is still Lowe's, because you can schedule an in-home measurement to get a personalized quote. Again, Lowe's is just available so many places with their local independent installers. So again, can be a good option. They are still our top choice and our number one choice. I do just want to remind you of Lowe's. Again, if you want to check out this page here to the best flooring installation companies, you can check out that first link down below in the video description. That will take you right over this page here, where you can see the most up-to-date list of the best flooring installation companies. Again, it's that first link down below in the video description. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.